राइट। सो अभी हमने ये समझ लिया है कि ऑप्टिमल कंजम्पशन कैसे निकालना है, डिफरेंट यूटिलिटी फंक्शंस को देख लिए हैं, एंड फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ दिस वी हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट अ फ्यू ऑफ द यूटिलिटी फंक्शंस do not satisfy all the properties of preferences, like for example reflexivity, completeness, transitivity, monotonicity, and strict convexity. ये पांच properties are there for preferences actually put down by economists. इसी के basis पर a mathematician took out the utility function, right? But for example, the utility function of concave preferences, the utility function of perfect substitute, the utility function of perfect complement. So many of these do not satisfy all the five properties. Okay, so preferences not always satisfy all the properties. Okay, but what are a few properties that will ensure that I have well behaved preferences? अब ये वेल बिहेव्ड प्रेफरेंसेस क्या है? वेल बिहेव्ड प्रेफरेंसेस में बेसिकली टू इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है. सबसे पहला, मोनोटोनिसिटी. नाउ मोनोटोनिसिटी क्या है? मोनोटोनिसिटी is basically more is preferred to less. इसका ये मतलब है बोथ गुड्स, अगर यूटिलिटी फंक्शन इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई, बोथ गुड्स आर गुड कमोडिटीज. ठीक है, तो ये नहीं हो सकता दैट आई कंज्यूम मोर ऑफ एक्स एंड द यूटिलिटी फॉल्स, आई कंज्यूम मोर ऑफ एक्स एंड द यूटिलिटी इंक्रीजेस. सो एज एक्स इंक्रीजेस, utility increases. Y increases, utility increases. This is what monotonicity basically means. Okay, सही है. So this is an important property for well-behaved preferences. The second important property for well-behaved preferences is strict convexity. Now strict convexity, जैसा हमने preference की properties में देखा था, basically stands for averages are preferred to extremes. और यहां पर हमने ये एग्जांपल दिया था कि सपोजिंग x1 y1 is indifferent to another bundle x2 y2, then a bundle x1 plus x2 by 2 average and y1 plus y2 by 2 will be preferred over the bundle x1 y1 which was indifferent to x2 y2. So an average bundle is preferred over an extreme bundle. ठीक है, strict convexity would actually give me the diagram for an indifference curve which is convex to the origin. क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है? ये देखिए, ये अगर बंडल है सपोजिंग x1 y1, ये बंडल है सपोजिंग x2 y2, then if I join this with a straight line, कहीं पर बीच में बंडल है x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2. ठीक है, this bundle would basically represent a higher indifference curve. ये represent कर रहा है higher indifference curve को. Okay, this is supposing utility u naught, this is u1. So a higher indifference curve would be represented for this average bundle. Okay. Well-behaved preference में for linear budget line we would get an interior solution. अभी interior solution क्या हुआ? Interior solution का मतलब tangency solution. Tangency solution का मतलब that I equate the slope of the budget line and the slope of the indifference curve. That is at the optimal, in order to find out the demands for the two goods x and y, I equate the two slopes, which basically tantamounts to mu x by mu y is equal to px by py. Right? So well-behaved preferences basically gives us the result that averages are preferred over extremes. And monotonicity, that is the more the better. Now, ये तो strict indifference curve हमने देख लिया जहां पर ये satisfy हो रहा है. However, it's important for us to identify a few cases जहां पर ये नहीं होगा. So let me show you a couple of cases जहां पर the preferences are not well behaved. ओके, सबसे पहला तो ये है, देखिए, वेल बिहेव्ड प्रेफरेंसेस. वेल बिहेव्ड प्रेफरेंसेस वुड मैथमेटिकली आल्सो मीन दैट आई हैव अ कॉन्वेक्स सेट. कॉन्वेक्स सेट का मतलब, if I join any two points within the set, then all the points joined by the straight line also lie inside the set. Convex set का मतलब है preferred points. If I in the xy space, preferred points due to monotonicity, ज्यादा x and y कौन से एरिया में, ये एरिया में ज्यादा x and y वाला जो एरिया है, when it is a convex set, I get well behaved preferences. So area of monotonicity is equal to convex set implies well behaved preferences. Okay. Now, as I said, a few examples of non well behaved preferences would be as follows. Indifference curve like this. ये क्या है? Concave preferences. This is a case where averages are inferior to extremes. I join any 2 points, and these points are inferior. Points here are actually inferior rather than superior. Okay. तो यहां पर I'll actually get a concave set, not a convex set, because preferred points, which is like this, join any 2 points, and this is not lying within the set, it's outside the set. Okay. So this is a case where this is not well behaved preferences. So well behaved preferences ये नहीं है, तो इसको कुछ ऐसे कर सकते हैं, not well behaved preferences क्रॉस. ठीक है. एक और एग्जांपल ऑफ नॉट वेल बिहेव्ड प्रेफरेंसेस, कोई एरिया में वेल बिहेव्ड है, कोई एरिया में नॉट वेल बिहेव्ड है. तो इफ आई सी प्रेफरेंस पैटर्न हो गया ये. ओके, मोनोटोनिसिटी का एरिया हो गया ये. बट an average bundle may not be superior. Like for example, अगर मैं straight line से इसको connect करूं, an average bundle sometimes can be here, तो यहाँ पर satisfy कर रहा है. But sometimes if I join 2 points like this, an average bundle can also be here. So if the average bundle is here, this is not preferred over this because the indifference curves are going like this. So this would represent an inferior bundle. तो ये भी convex set नहीं है. Hence, this would also not be representing well-behaved preferences. ठीक है. So for the regular case, सबसे ज्यादा well-behaved preferences कौन सा है? सबसे ज्यादा well-behaved preferences होगा when I have the set of preferred bundles to be a convex set. Okay. यहाँ पर concave set नहीं, यहाँ पर ये वाला केस नहीं. Okay. Now, if that is the case, I get well-behaved preferences. तो 2 पॉइंट को यहाँ पर आपको दिमाग में रखना है. Number 1 is monotonicity, and the other one is strict convexity. ये दोनों अगर satisfy करेंगे तो I have well-behaved preferences. ठीक है.